To be stuck due to a minor electric fault that can be easily fixed is really frustrating. To avoid that, it's a good practice to check the fuse before you hit the road. In case your motorcycle is not starting or the headlamp is not glowing, you should check the fuse first. It's easy and takes just a few minutes. Here is how. Start with the fuse plucker. You will find it in your motorcycle toolkit. Switch off the engine and take out the key from the ignition lock. Now open the right-hand side panel lock with the key and gently pull it out from the lug and place it safely on a clean and soft surface to avoid any scratches. Open the fuse box lid, supported by holding the bottom part. The box has both the fuses in operation as well as the spare ones. Using the fuse plucker, gently pull out all the fuses one by one for detailed inspection. Put them back in their spots using your fingers. Look for the broken wire to detect if the fuse is blown. If you find one, replace it by the respective spare fuse which is available in the fuse box. Press it firmly to make it seat properly. Now close the fuse box. Locate the right-hand panel lugs, press them firmly and lock the panel. It is recommended to visit a Royal Enfield service center near you to restore the consumed spare fuse. You are all set for the trip. Keep riding!